This is a video showing how to update the installation of SPARKvue on the SPARK LX or SPARK LXi. First, navigate to the PASCO application store by swiping to one side on the home screen of the SPARK LX or SPARK LXi. Once you've selected the PASCO App Store, it will flash the PASCO logo briefly, and then you will see the applications that are available within your device. Up above, you can see that the updates, there's a small 1 to the upper right-hand side, indicating that an update can be done on SPARKvue. If you tap on the icon for SPARKvue, then you can see the large update button to the right-hand side. It'll start the download process if you're connected to Wi-Fi. This could take some time depending on the speed of your connection. Once it's almost done, it will then provide you with this dialog asking your permission to install SPARKvue. Another way that you can see this is by clicking on the Updates button, and you'll see that SPARKvue will show the older version that is currently installed on the device, and then also the update that is available. This is another path to update SPARKvue on your SPARK LX or SPARK LXi. Once the update is done, you can select on the Open button. There will be a brief time at which the software is updating itself and updating the resources, including the labs. If you've previously run SPARKvue, you will see the screen that was previously displayed on SPARKvue prior to you leaving it. However, for the full installation to take place, please tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left-hand side of the screen and select New Experiment. When you first run the fully updated version of SPARKvue, you'll be presented with this splash screen that will show you the changes that have occurred within the latest version of the software. So this is the newly formatted home screen for SPARKvue 4.0. Also, if you're using the SPARK LXi, updates for the interface portion of this device are pushed out through SPARKvue. So once you have launched the latest version of SPARKvue, please make sure to turn on the interface as you may be prompted for a firmware update. You'll be prompted for the connection to the USB device, and then you'll see the prompt for the firmware update. Please do this update. It'll again prompt you for allowing access to the USB device as the interface connects itself again. It will proceed through the update process, and once it's complete, it will again ask to connect the device. You'll receive confirmation of the firmware update. This update is important because it will give a clearer indication if the interface is turned on the SPARK LXi.